everybody, welcome to Jamestown Jobs. I'm Emily Bivens with the Jamestown Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're here today at Collins Aerospace. They are the largest private employer here in Jamestown and have been here since 1970, and we're here today to see what it's like to be a machinist. Let's go! I'm Emily with the Chamber.
I'm Mark from Collins here, and I'm a machinist. Today we are working on 787 parts for the Dreamliner.
Okay.
And so I just finished one. So I'm deburring the parts, taking all the sharp edges off the corners of the parts and everything.
Okay.
It's a three-step process. And so the first step is the one on the card over there. This is the second process, and then the last process is finishing out the inside here.
Okay.
So all together, it's about anywhere from 5 to 7 hours to make a part all the way through.
Wow.
So it's interesting. I've been doing this about 26 years. I'm on my 26th year.
Wow.
I really like what I do in that, you know, the technology from when I first started to right now has been just greatly improved.
Yeah.
The machine tools, the computers, the cutting tools, everything about it. And part of the whole thing is making it better. And so we have continuous improvement all the time. And so we're constantly making the part better by using new tools, state-of-the-art stuff, and we're cutting the run times in half. And there's always the problem solving where we're fixing things, trying to make things better, whether it's fixturing, any kind of thing, programs, tooling.
Sure.
So,
And it looks like you work with your hands.
yep.
Most is hands-on.
So like this operation, and I just started this one, it's taking 2 hours to make this one.
2 hours, wow.
This is just the control, and it shows everything here. So basically I load the part and everything goes pretty smooth. The thing that I really like is making the new products. So you have to proof it out. So the proofing, we start out and we take baby steps, and then we get it better, and then refine the process by using different thoughts from people, different fixturing, speeds and feeds, and then it comes together, and that's the final product. And so you see it all happen with all these thoughts that people put together, and how it all comes together. And then what works great is when you see the final product going out the door and then into an airplane and then going down the runway. You know, I was a part of that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Some of the parts over here that we're making, we've cut the runtime in half.
Wow.
So the programming department works with us really close. Tool Fab works with us really close, so it's really neat to have everything come together.
And these parts go on planes that are all around the world, right?
Yes.
This is a worldwide company.
Yep. And most of the parts for over here are on the 787.
Cool.
But I've made parts over there for their 777, 747. So it's unique. I mean, and like I said, in the end result, what's cool is you see all this come together, and if you go over to Plant 2, they have mock-ups. And you'll see these parts on that mock-up and actually see it in how it would be in an airplane. And then you see this on the runway, going down the runway, and you see that I've been a part of this, and it's nice to see it all come together.
Yeah.
So
it's awesome that Collins gives you the opportunity to see all that. That's awesome.
And one good thing is, when I first started here, I was a trainee too. I never had any machining experience.
Okay.
But they gave you all the training. And like I said, every day is something different.
Yeah, I would need a lot of training.
You still, like today, I still learn.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the good part of it.
That's awesome. All right, that was really fun. We're here now with Dan. He's the machine shop manager. Dan, so we got to see a little bit what a machinist does. That was really awesome. What do you need to do to be a machinist? What credentials do you need to have?
Well, right now we have a couple different options. We have an apprenticeship program we're doing that's partnered with Wahpeton, North Dakota State College of Science, where a student will do some online courses in OJT, and they'll actually get a certificate from the college for machining. So the other option is obviously we looking for experienced machinists too. So
Awesome. And how do they apply?
So careers.rtx.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
All right.
To apply today, visit the website below. Be sure you search for North Dakota and Machinist for the Jamestown location. See you next time.